Our next gland for studying is adrenal gland. Okay, so this adrenal gland has two parts, medulla and cortex. It is somewhat like this. So this outer portion is known as cortex and inner portion is known as medulla. Clear? So it has two parts, medulla and cortex. There are a pair of adrenal glands that are present on the top of the kidney. You know why this word adrenal gland is used? Renal is related to kidney. Okay, I have drawn this structure for kidney. Ad means something over it. So the gland over kidney, therefore it has used the term adrenal gland. Clear? So there are two kidneys. So each kidney is having this cap-like adrenal gland over it. Then this gland secretes a hormone that is adrenaline. Okay, this adrenaline is secreted by the medulla, and this is essentially the emergency hormone of our body. Whenever there is some emergency situations and our heart beats very rapidly, there is salivation in our mouth or dry mouth, so all these conditions, when you come to know, in these cases adrenaline hormone is secreted. Whenever you are asked what is the emergency hormone of our body, that is adrenaline. So what is the function of adrenaline? It is produced when a person is under stress. The stress could be physical or emotional. So whenever we are in stress, we get dry mouth, we get rapid heartbeat. So all this is because of adrenaline. This is produced when a person is under stress. This could be physical or emotional stress. Then this is fight, flight or fright hormone. Here one word is missing. This adrenaline hormone is known as 3F hormone. Why 3F hormone? There are three words starting with F. It is fight, to fight, flight means to run away, and to fright. Fright means to fear something. Okay. Then it helps us to deal with some emergency situations or some emotional stresses. It gives extra energy to our body to fight those situations. But how does this occur? This all occurs. What all happens if adrenaline hormone is secreted? There is increase in our heartbeat. There is increased rate of respiration. We take quick breaths. There is increase in blood pressure. Increased supply of blood to the muscles. The liver releases more glucose into the body to prepare us for more energetic situations. So all these things happen because of adrenal gland and because of the hormone adrenaline. Clear? Here you can see, okay, cap-like structures over the kidney. These are adrenal glands. Then one hormone that was secreted is adrenaline. Then another hormone which is secreted by the cortex is cortisone. Adrenaline is secreted by medulla and this cortisone is secreted by the cortex. So what does this cortisone hormone does? It regulates the carbohydrate, fat and protein metabolism. Metabolism means chemical reactions. It regulates all the chemical reactions related to carbohydrate, fat and protein. It maintains and regulates the salt and water balance in the body. Majorly the salts present in our body is NaCl and KCl and so. Okay. So all these salts, ionic balance, water balance is maintained by this hormone. Then it helps the body adapt itself in situations of stress like extreme heat, cold, burn and infections. Whenever we are exposed to some extreme conditions like extreme heat is there, extreme cold is there, then all the adaptations which occur in our body, that will occur because of this cortisol hormone. Then the last gland is pancreas. So this pancreas, I have told you earlier that it functions as endocrine as well as exocrine gland. So as an exocrine gland, it secretes digestive enzymes. Okay, it helps in digestion because of its exocrine role, and because of its endocrine role, it secretes a hormone that is known as insulin. There are three hormones which it secretes, but in our syllabus we have to study only insulin. This you have to remember. What are the cells which secrete, or what is the name of the tissue that produces insulin? It is islets of Langerhans. Islet of Langerhans produces insulin. Clear? Then where is pancreas located? It is located near the stomach and abdomen region. Abdomen region means above the waist. Here you can see near the stomach this pancreas is located. Then one hormone which it secretes is insulin, and another hormone is glucagon, and another one is somatostatin, that is not in your syllabus. So insulin, what is the function of this hormone insulin? We'll study it. Like insulin, you can see it lowers the level of glucose in blood in the following 3 ways. How it lowers the level of glucose?